Hello students, this is the second part of the video. In the first part we have discussed about the theory of the experiment. In this part we are going to discuss with you about all the steps of the experiment. So students, the first step is the aim of the experiment. The aim of the experiment is to study distribution of stomata on both the surfaces of leaf. As you can see, I have a leaf. The leaf, it has the upper part, this is the upper portion, and this is the lower part of the leaf. So we have to find the number of stomata on upper surface of the leaf and on the lower surface of the leaf. Students, in dicot plants, number of stomata, it is present on the more in number on lower surface. But in monocot plants, the number of stomata on upper surface and on lower surface, it is approximately equal. The leaf which I have taken, it is a dicot leaf. As you can see, the venation is reticulate here. The second step is material required. Students, the material required for this is, first of all, we need a fresh leaf, the leaf of bryophyllum which is thick, or row leaves, or you can take the leaf of lily, means the leaves which are thick and easily we can take out their peel. Such type of leaves we take. So here I have taken the bryophyllum leaves. After that we need beaker containing water. Then we need watch glass containing saffronine coloring pigment. We need brush. Then we need sharp blade. We need needle, and here we need cover slip. After this we need filter paper, we need glycerine, we need microscope to observe the slide. So these are certain raw materials which we need. Students, now procedure of the experiment. So for procedure of the experiment, we used to take a neat and plain glass slide. So this I have taken a plain glass slide, and on this now I will take the leaf, its section, and I will take out the peel of the leaf from both the surfaces, that is from upper surface and from lower surface. So here I am going to cut the section of leaf, and I will put the section on this glass slide and scratch slowly to remove the greenish part from the upper surface. I have kept the lower surface at bottom so that easily we can we can take out the lower peel. So we will scratch it slowly with the help of sharp blade. So this you have to do very carefully so that only the peel can be taken out. The peel is very delicate, so use your hand very carefully. Students, you can see I have taken out the peel of the section. Try to remove the greenish part. So now you can see I have taken the peel. Now keep this section in the middle. For this we can take the aid of brush. Now on this section we will put few drops of saffronin curling pigment. This process is known as staining. Staining can be done in the watch glass also, but this I am doing here on the slide. After that we will wait for 1 minute and then we will wash it with water. Students, you have to do this very carefully, otherwise the peel is very delicate and it will scratch out quickly. So after 1 minute we will remove the excess of stain with the help of brush and water. This is the what you are going to wash your section. This washing is also done in the watch glass, or you can do it directly on the slide. Now once the section is washed and the excess of color is washed out, now remove the excess of color, excess of water droplets with the help of filter paper. So now your section is free from water droplets. Now you need to put few drops of glycerin on it. It will keep the section wet and you can observe the slide for longer time. After this, now we have to take the cover slip. Students, cover slip, this you have to hold in your both the fingers tangentially, and now with the help of needle put the cover slip on the section very carefully so that it should not trap the air. Keep your needle below the cover slip. Students, now your slide is ready to observe. So now we will observe it under the microscope. Similarly, we will prepare the next slide, that is from the upper surface, and for that we will keep the upper surface of the leaf in backward side and we will remove the excess of the greenish material from the lower surface. Then we will get the upper peel and we will make it slide likewise. So in this way you have to prepare two slides, one from upper surface, another from lower surface. Observe both the slide under the microscope, then you will get its observation. So you will your next heading is observation. Students, when you will observe the slide under the microscope, then if your leaf is monocot, then you will find that number of stomata is approximately equal on both the surfaces, and if it is dicot leaf, then you will get more number of stomata on the lower surface. So this is your observation. After this, you have to take some precautions. Students, first of all, the leaf which you are taking, it should be fresh leaf. Second thing, your slide, it should be neat and clean. Third thing, when you put the cover slip, then put it very carefully so that it should not trap air. And the staining of the section, it should be not excess and not very less. So in this way you will prepare your slide, you will get your observation. So this is the detail of the experiment. I think you will now able to prepare your slide very easily. So for next experiment we will meet you again. Okay.